Hello, I'm Carl and welcome to Festool TV. The TSC 55 KEB now with KickBackStop. What is it? What is it for? Kickback can happen to any saw and comes unexpectedly. It can occur when sawing backwards, or plunge cutting, and is often induced because the plunge speed is too fast, by using the incorrect blade for the application, or if the material jams the saw blade. Kickback is dangerous and always takes you by surprise. When kickback occurs, the saw becomes uncontrollable. The saw violently leaves the material and exposes the blade at full cutting speed. The saw can then damage the workpiece, the guide rail, or even worse, cause injury or harm to the user. In fact, in Germany alone, there are 2,000 reported incidents per year from using plunge and circular saws. And in the USA, 62% of all accidents recorded with plunge saws are attributed to kickback. You may think this has never happened to you, but if your saw has ever damaged the material you are cutting, or you have cut marks or gouges in your rail, this was most likely caused by kickback. Festool are always striving to make its tools safer to use. So, Festool innovation and design has brought us KickBackStop technology. The TSC 55 KEB will now detect kickback and faster than the blink of an eye, stop the blade rotating, preventing any damage to the workpiece, guide rail, and injury to the user. Here I have a common application of plunge cutting into a 40mm chipboard worktop. I am going to purposely plunge too fast into the worktop to demonstrate the KickBackStop technology. Quicker than a blink of an eye, the kickback technology deployed and instantly stopped the EC Tech motor and blade from rotating. The result? I was fully protected from injury or harm, and no damage has been caused to the material or guide rail. When the technology deployed, the KickBackStop indication light turned red and an audible beep was emitted from the plunge saw. To start working again, all I need to do is let go of the trigger and restart the plunge saw. No damage is caused to the blade or tool, and it's again safe to continue working. The KickBackStop technology works as the saw will detect if it starts to leave either the material or rail surface. There may be times when, due to the application, the surface of the material is not able to be recognised. For example, the start of a cut when using the saw without a rail, or cutting through an aperture in the surface. To complete this application, I can turn off and bypass the KickBackStop technology. Simply press the off button and the indication light will turn amber. Once the cut is completed and the trigger is released, the indication light will return to green and the KickBackStop technology will automatically become active again. Here I have a typical example. I want to complete a straight cut in this board containing a cutout. I will need to bypass the technology to start the cut and when I pass through the cutout. By starting and stopping the cut, I can ensure, where possible, the technology will be protecting me. So, there you have it. The TSC 55 KEB with KickBackStop technology. No more dangerous kickback, protection in the blink of an eye, saws twice as fast and lasts up to 50% longer thanks to the 1.8mm generation saw blades. Full power without the cord thanks to the dual battery 36-volt concept and the EC Tech 2 brushless motor. For complete peace of mind, don't forget to register your purchase within 30 days on your My Festool account, either online at festool.co.uk or by downloading the Festool Work app on your smartphone. Your tool will then be covered by Festool Warranty All-Inclusive. 3 years free of charge service and repairs, including batteries and chargers, 3 years theft protection cover, and a 10-year spare parts guarantee. I'm Carl, and thank you for watching Festool TV.